Hello, I'm Silvana Clark. My husband Alan and I are traveling through British Columbia, which is a province in Canada, and right now we are at Camp McDonald Creek Provincial Park, a beautiful place. We're camping in this RV that we rented from CanaDream. It's 24 feet long, and I'm sure you've seen a lot of these on the highway, but have you ever seen the inside? So come along and get a sneak peek in where we are staying. Come on inside. You know, it seems a little crowded. I wish I had more space. There is a solution. With the simple push of a button, you will now see the entire side of the wall slide out, which is why it's called a slide out. And now look at all this room we have. You can even dance around here. And in addition, I'd like you to see where my husband drives. This is his seat, and he drives here. I am right here, of course, and I'm the co-pilot. I make wonderful comments when he drives. I'm also in charge of snacks. So we have beef jerky, we have apples, and anytime we want to eat, I have it right here. So what if we're really hungry and want to eat? Look at our kitchen. We have a double sink. We have a microwave, so if you want that late night popcorn, we've got it. There's even a little tea kettle that comes with this rental. We have the oven, we can make things. There are lots of storage space up here. And of course, the refrigerator. You can have lots of space here and a freezer. Believe me, it keeps ice cream cold. Over here, when we want to eat, is our table. We simply sit here. We've got our cup holders here. There's more storage up here. Everything we need. And look at this big pantry. All sorts of goodies that you could store in the pantry. But what if you're tired? This queen size bed is so comfortable. I absolutely love it. And especially at night, you can hear the rain on the top of the roof. It's very, very cozy. So this bed is very comfortable. And over here in the middle of the night, you know how sometimes you need to use the restroom? Well, right here, you have your toilet very close by. But there's more, a regular washroom. And there you've got a medicine cabinet. You have the sink. There's even a shower and a closet. And as you turn around, one last thing, if you look up here, what if you had children or grandchildren? Here are 2 extra beds that are very cozy. So I hope you enjoyed our view of our RV where we're staying, and we just want to remind you, happy camping.